salt from in between each layer. Something quick and easy, this is the way to go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elmarie, and for breakfast this morning I will be cooking some saltfish and tomato along with some ground provision like banana, yam, dumpling, and I even found dasheen, which I used to love dasheen back home, so that's a plus. In Canada, I realized the scallion, they're selling the scallion with the roots on it just to gain weight. So without further ado, let's get started. So first I will put the saltfish to boil, to cook and get rid of some of the salt. First I'll peel the dasheen and put it in the pot. Don't want this part of it. Peeling the banana also, it's optional. You don't have to peel the banana because the banana can be cooked in the skin. So guys, I didn't put the banana in the pot as yet because I am gonna tip a little bit of vinegar in the pot because just to stop the food from getting black. Like my dumpling, I don't want no black dumpling. So I'll tip a little vinegar first, and then I put the banana. Next, I will make the dumpling. So I'm using semola wheat and some white flour. Then I will add some salt, pink salt. I'll just mix everything together. And I won't wait, I will just make them and put them in the pot same time. Guys, how I put the food in the pot, I put the hardest to cook to the easiest. So the easiest of course is the white yam, because you know that will mash away. I put it over here so it's closer, I don't have to be walking back and forth. Of course, you can make your dumpling in any style you want or any size. So I give the pot a small stir because I don't want the dumpling to stick in the bottom of the pot. Now I'll put the saltfish in the pot. This way I boil it separate to take out some of the salt. My pot need more water. I will just hot some water to pour it in the pot instead of putting the cold water because I don't want to stop the cooking process. So boiling the saltfish with the food, that's optional, but I choose to do everything in one pot This way you won't have to add salt to the food. You're getting it from the saltfish, and also it flavors the food as it cooks. And as I said before, this one is so easy to mash. Another thing, guys, when you're cooking like yam or even banana, you have to be careful if the stain get on this place of your hand, because it can be very itchy. I'll just do a little tidying now and start cutting the scallion, tomato, etc., to put in the pot. So now I'm going to take the saltfish from the pot so I can clean it and, you know, give it a little pick. So I'm just removing the scale and the bones. So now I remove the bones. I will break it down to bite-sized pieces, and also to get rid of some of the salt from in between each layer of the fish. I'll just wait a while for the oil to get hot, then I will put the ground provision in. I'll just let this saute just a little bit. Just drain it. Then I will add some black pepper. I should put the Scotch bonnet pepper. Unfortunately, I don't have Scotch bonnet today, but it's okay. The black pepper might have just do the trick for me. So all the other seasoning like the onion and the scallion, garlic, they give the pot also flavor, so it's okay if I don't have my Scotch bonnet today. Missing it though. Now it's time for me to plate and eat. So I'll just ditch some of these things. Here you have it, guys, a lovely dish of saltfish and tomato with some ground provision. I have dumpling, yam, banana and dasheen. Oh my god, guys, I love dasheen. Guys, please remember, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Very nice. Guys, this is just a quick cook when I don't feel like eating meat, you know, and to do something quick and easy. This is the way to go. Thanks for watching.